Welcome to the office. I'm going to show you around real quick. And today we had a discussion. Got dinner. Wife came by and brought dinner. I had a discussion with some other machinists about how to do things in a single operation. And I'm going to show you my tool collection here. Let's see if I can pull this out. So this is a custom form tool. And let me see if I can open this. Work on it here. Oh boy. Gotta set the phone down. Alright. So that's a form tool. What that does is it generates a radius, does a small counterbore, and deburrs it. And I think we even get a little edge break in the bottom of the counterbore with that. So with form tools, you can do all kinds of fun things. This right here, 16031. This puts the radius on the back side of a part. Now, I got SolidWorks open here. This part, see how there's a channel and we got this radius in here and it goes through. Okay, the reason why the engineer designed it like that is because they didn't want to cut the wire that was passing through there. Now they want a radius here, so I want to do this in a single operation. So the way that I do it is first I profile the I do my contour, then I do my channel, I drill that, and then I get my radius tool and I come around the back side. Now let me open this up, see if I can get a good, but this comes around and then I get under it with a key seat cutter and off it comes. Now, there's something wrong with this one because the other thing that they wanted was they wanted a chamfer on this edge right here. So, now, let's take a look at the parts and see how they came out. This is a single operation. I've got the parts right here. Well, these are the ones that I kept for myself. Now, let's see here. There you go. They're a little dirty. Now we're gonna get it. Where's the microscope? Almost there. There we go. Look at that. Whoo! So this part is 4.5 millimeter. I don't know if you can see that radius. Really struggling with it. I don't know if you can see that radius. Now, if I can figure out where the microscope is, yeah, there we go. So, take a look at that. Anyway, that was a single op part. Customer wanted 50 of these. And I ran them on a strip. Now let's go out to the shop, we'll look at the strip, we'll stop along the way, and I'll show you a couple other fun things. The other fun thing, form tools, going back to form tools, okay? Check this out. You see that? That right there is a broach, and if you see right there, those are blind holes with sharp corners. And there's that little piece that goes around the back. There you go. So that's some of the other fun things that we do around here. Now, you're probably wondering why I don't share videos. and I don't talk about my name or what I do. This is another fun one right here. The reason why is because of this right here. And I gotta be careful how I get myself in trouble. Now, another fun thing that we got over here. I'm gonna keep the camera on the food. I don't wanna show too much. But this is Maycor. It's ceramic. Let me turn off the music. Okay. I'll show you what we make with this stuff. Here's another fun one. I'm gonna try not to forget that we're on our way to the strip, the copper strip out in the shop. Take a look at that. That's Maycor. So the engineer dropped one and broke it, and I allowed him to exchange. Look at that thin wall in there. Let's get this under the microscope. There you go. And there's a little step right in that corner. I don't know if you can see that. Pretty fun. When we do that with ceramic, we've been also machining fused silica and doing some other good stuff. I'm gonna look and see if I got anything else that's interesting up here. Oh, take a look at this. Now, I can't say what this is for, but I would say it's not for making friends. Here's another good one. Check this thing out. This was the setup piece. The rest of them, I'm told, got loaded up on a satellite and went into orbit. Now, let's go see if we can figure something else out. Okay, so we're going to the copper strip. But the other thing I wanted to show, see this key seat cutter. I have an extensive collection. I spend lots of money on key seat cutters because they're so powerful. Check that thing out. 150 bucks for one of those. But if you're talking about saving yourself an operation, it's well worth the investment. There we go. Alright. Fun things. And here is the strip. So I think I ran like 12 at a time. And when the key seat cutter went across there, I lost a couple. But the cycle was short, and I was able to get what I needed within an hour. Anyway, this is what we work with. We got a VFOE doing round parts. Now, look at those threads on there. You're probably wondering, how do you do those threads? Well, you did it by running a die. And there's the key seat cutter. That's some of the nonsense that goes on around here. Here. We got some steel running today. Check this thing out. Look at that. Running the probe. I got the probe configured. Right here, it outputs diameters. So I can use that to check my diameters. Some material. What else we got? We got some titanium back there. 900 square feet. And we're rocking and rolling. We stay very compressed in here. Working on the lathe tonight. I got that thing torn apart. Stuff on the side. Got a nice rotary screw compressor hiding over there. Refrigerator. I'm sure there's plenty of... So, okay. I got to get a plug to my boys over at Kyocera. I spend a lot of time with these guys, and that's where I get all my heavy cutting tools. This is my over here. I got my Kyocera, and I can't remember what this thing's called. MFW. But they gave this to me for free to get off of Sandvik, and then I bought a second one, and I pretty much buy all Kyocera. Here's a fun little part. 304 stainless. There's a little piece that goes in there. This is Vespel, and from what I understand, not many people use this. I found one guy on eBay selling this stuff that I could use for samples, but that's like a $60 piece of material right there. Created a part number in there. And this is for vapor deposition. This is where they put their sample. They put it in a chamber, put coatings on glass. I'm trying to see if I got something fun that goes with that. No, I don't. Anyway, this is the shop, and I'm gonna leave this video up for a few days and then take it down. Yeah, I think that's all the excitement here. And I'm sure I was challenged to show the video just so somebody could be like, ah, you suck. Which I don't blame them. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Check this thing out. This is a mold. I surfaced in here, and I have a key seat cutter that goes in there to finish it up. However, these were setup pieces, so I never finished them. Let me see if I got one that has. This is that zero tolerance part. Here's one where I started to finish my surfacing. But yeah, so 1/32 end mill came in and then had it drop down and follow that. Alright, well, I'm gonna look at this video and see if it's acceptable for sharing. Make sure I didn't pass over anything incriminating. And when I say incriminating, I think I'm referring, let's see, microscope. Yeah, I think that kind of stuff would be considered incriminating. Alright. There you go. I think we covered everything. The shop that doesn't exist.